be the high tide track.
Yeah, I'd say so. Yep. All good. Go backwards. Keep going backwards. That's why you walk a track. Straight off into that, no thanks. What a crack up. Wouldn't be a trip without something going wrong. The old twin barrel air compressor popped a fuse. Yep, all good, all good. Hold it there. Back it up. More left hand down. Yep. Try again. Yep. This way. Yep, all clear. Slowly, slowly. Yep, very slowly down. Yep, you're okay. Well done. Good drive. All right, mate.
This is high standards, mate. We're
What?
going to have a crack.
Scotch fillet.
Spuds are in.
Looks pretty good.
We're going to have a bit of a mixed veggie cook up.
Look at this. Your sous chef has done the heavy lifting.
So we're going to, we've catered for a bit more, but we'll cook them because I'm not going to save.
Awesome.
I'll chuck these in here.
Bit of capsicum.
A lot of capsicum.
This is a 2 fruit and 5 vegetable meal.
This has got everything, mate. I was hoping he was here because I've catered for him.
All right.
Like a veggie stew going on here.
Well, we can just drop it off in South Perth on the way back.
saying, Gardy, with this many bloody veggies and
Ooh, a bit of
red
Spanish onion there.
I'll chuck it all in.
Are you going to give it a bath of that stuff?
I'll give it a bath. A bit of butter in there.
Bit of ferrule.
Bit of ferrule.
Oh, even the butter got its own dedicated container. Mate, this is gourmet.
Easy.
Straighten up. Woo! Little wheel lift. Nice. Doing well, mate. Good drive. Nice bit of flex there. Yeah, that's good. Hoffman's Mill camping area.
You have arrived.
Just came in to have a look.
Turn right.
Easy, straight up, yeah. Yeah, good line. Good line, well done. Did not see that rock there, and I have punched it hard up into that sill plate or aluminium step. Oh, that's nasty. There's a lot of crunching of bash plates there.
Yeah, there's a track that goes right. Maybe I'll follow that up and see if it comes to the same road.
Okay. Oh, crunchy.